Hello students, welcome to the English class. I am Roopna Ravindran, Assistant Professor of English, Government Degree College, Chevalla. So today let's learn about the topic articles. You might be very familiar with this topic as you have been learning it since your school days. What are articles? Yes, I know you'll be telling the answer A and the. So articles are actually used before nouns to define their use in the context of the sentence. And articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. So indefinite articles are a and an, definite article is the. So if the noun is singular, then we use a or an. So when do we use a and when do we use an? That we have to learn. And you might have noticed the definite article is also pronounced different in different sentences. Sometimes it is pronounced the and sometimes it is pronounced the. So when do we pronounce it differently? Let us look at all those things. Now this slide is about indefinite article. Indefinite article means a, an. A is used before singular countable nouns which begin with consonant sounds. Now that you are familiar with the pronunciation of words, you can just look at the word and then observe the initial letter and how it is pronounced. So if it is starts with a consonant sound, then you have to use the article a. You can look the sentence here. He is a teacher because teacher, the noun starts with the consonant sound t. That is why we are using the indefinite article a. A is also used before words such as European, Euro, university, okay, all those words where the initial letters are vowels, but they have a consonant sound. If we observe the word European, the word starts with the letter E. But then, what is the sound? What is the initial sound that is produced when we spell out the word? It is year, European, year sound, which is consonant sound. Year is a consonant sound. That is why we are using the indefinite article a before European. A European student, a university. Again, the sound, the initial sound is year and the letter is U. So you don't bother about the letter, but you concentrate on the sounds. Next one, an. An is used before singular countable nouns which begin with vowel sounds. He is an actor. Again, actor starts with the sound a, which is actually vowel sound. An is used before a word beginning with a silent h and a vowel sound later. In some words, H, the letter H will be silent. For example, HOUR is pronounced R and not hour. Similarly, HONEST is pronounced honest and not honest. So, in those cases, as the initial sound is again coming as a, as in case of r. Okay, we use the indefinite article an. Similar is the case with honest. Again, what is the sound, initial sound that you notice? It is o. It's again a vowel sound. That's why we are using the indefinite article an. Definite article the is used when you're talking about something that is already known to you or has been previously introduced to you. Okay. For example, I study in Government Degree College, Chevalla. The college is situated in the heart of the city. Okay, so you know that I'm specifically talking about Government Degree College, Chevalla. That is why I'm using the definite article the. The is also used before the names of oceans, seas, coast, rivers, mountain ranges, groups of islands, plants, gulfs, newspapers, magazines, instruments, directions, deserts, and so on. Okay, an example to cite is the Bay of Bengal. We say the Himalayas, the Godavari, the Narmada, the Times of India, the Hindu. Okay. Next is the definite article. The is also used when proper nouns are used for the sake of comparisons. I have given an example here. Kalidas was regarded as the Shakespeare of India. So Shakespeare here is a proper noun, but then it is used for the sake of comparison. That is why we are using the definite article the before Shakespeare in this particular sentence. Let's move on to the next slide. When do we pronounce THE as the, and when do we pronounce THE as the? When THE is followed by a vowel sound, then we pronounce it as the. The engineer that we were talking yesterday. When it is followed by a consonant sound, then we have to pronounce it the. The teacher that we met yesterday, because t is a consonant sound. In the first example, a is an vowel. A is a vowel sound. Now here you have an exercise. Fill in the blanks with articles where necessary. So first sentence given here is she doesn't own dash car. Which article will we use? It's indefinite article. As a car starts with k sound, we have to use a. She doesn't own a car. He came from dash humble beginnings. He came from humble beginnings. We don't have to use an article over there. Third one. I saw dash bears at the zoo. As bears is plural, we don't have to use an article there. The sentence is correct when you say, I saw bears at the zoo. Fourth one, he asked for dash milk. It's an uncountable noun, milk. So we don't need to use any article over there. He asked for milk. She didn't get dash invitation. Invitation is singular, so we can use an. She didn't get an invitation. I saw dash eagle fly by. Eagle starts with vowel sound, so we have to use an. She was dash English teacher. She was an English teacher. E is again a vowel sound. She taught at dash European university. She taught at a European university. He bought dash milk, dash butter, and dash loaf of bread. Milk, butter, uncountable nouns. So we can write like this. He bought milk, butter, and a loaf of bread. Dr. Abdul Kalam was dash honest man. Honest is again starting with O sound. So what do you have to write there? You have to write an. Next sentence. I want dash apple from that basket. It's again a sound for apple. So you have to write an apple from that basket. Dash church on the corner is progressive. So you're particularly talking about the church on the corner. So you have to use the definite article, the. The church on the corner is progressive. Naitik speaks dash Chinese. It's a language, so you don't have to use an article over there. I borrowed dash pencil from your pile of pencils and pens. A pencil. P is consonant sound, so you have to use a pencil. One of the students said, dash professor is late today. So I'm specifically talking about a professor that used to come, who used to come early. So the professor is late today. Satvik likes to play dash volleyball. You don't have to use any article over there. I bought dash umbrella to go out in the rain. A umbrella starts with a sound. So you have to use an. My daughter is learning to play dash violin at her school. The violin at her school. Please give me dash cake that is on the counter. So you're specifically talking about a cake you have prepared and then kept at the corner. So you can use definite article the. Here you have to insert articles wherever necessary. First sentence, there is book in my backpack. Book is very heavy. So you have to check for nouns first because articles come before nouns. So how do you write the sentence? There is a book in my backpack. The book is very heavy because you are again talking particularly about the book in your backpack. That is why in the second sentence I am using definite article. There is a book in my backpack. The book is very heavy. Do you know where I left car keys? Yeah. I'm specifically talking about my car keys. So you have to add the before car keys. I enjoy reading detective novels, especially ones by famous author Arthur Conan Doyle. So before famous, you have to write the. Next one, French drink wine while the Americans drink beer. It is the French drink wine while the Americans drink beer. Group of MBA students from University of Mumbai visited Harvard University in United States. How will you write it? It is a group of MBA students from the University of Mumbai visited Harvard University in the United States. Bible was first book to be printed by Gutenberg in 15th century. The Bible was the first book to be printed by Gutenberg in the 15th century. That's how you write it. I'm fond of the music of Mozart. My grandfather owns an antique piano. I am fond of the music of Mozart. My grandfather owns an antique piano. Eighth one, cloth is sold by meter. Meter of this fabric cost me moon. Cloth is sold by meter. A meter of this fabric cost me the moon. That is how you write it. Sun is highest point in the sky at noon. So here you are using superlative degree, the highest. Okay, the sun is at the highest point in the sky at noon. After humans, chimpanzee is most intelligent among animals. Again, it is superlative degree, most intelligent. So before superlative degree, you have to use definite article. After humans, chimpanzee is the most intelligent among animals. Next one, we started early in morning. Where do you add definite article? Yes, in the morning. We started early in the morning. Next one. Sun rises in east. The sun rises in the east. Before directions, you have to add the. Before planets, you have to add the. While there is life, there is hope. Do you need any article in this sentence? No, you don't have to add. 14th one. Brave soldier lost his arm in battle. Which battle? In a particular battle. So how will you write it? Brave soldier lost his arm in the battle. 15th one. Poor woman lives in small hut. In a small hut. That is how you write it. 16th one. Moon shone through night. Through the night. The moon, again planets, Satellites all should be written with a the before it. The moon shone through the night. 17th one, tiger is native of Asia. The tiger is a native of Asia. Next one, 18th. Wild animals suffer when they are kept in captivity. I don't think we need any article here. Okay. Now that's it. So thank you for watching. This is an important topic from your semester exam point of view and also from the competitive exam point of view.